guy's doing? Wow.
Not that much, because this guy says he's gonna come and pay me today. I'm waiting for him, because otherwise I cannot, Okay, otherwise I can be working. I told him I'm gonna stop doing nothing.
Now I have to remember, because why you have to.
I'm gonna.
What the hell? This guy is. Ooh, he ran that light. That's crazy. Nobody want to let her through. That's crazy. Damn. Wow. I'm telling you, man, these school buses be like wild.
There's no for the emergency vehicle.
No signal, you know. Rare. There's usually one car that always gonna run. Yep, there you go. That's one. That's two. There you go. Another one. Three. Another one coming. Look at that, 3 of them. Wow, 3 of them. Told you. Making a right turn from that middle lane. This is navigation we gotta go through. Now we got one lane over here. Like people like this want to just be assholes and double park their car.